Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to edit picture in Google Photo on Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on picture. After click on picture, click on edit and you will see if you want to crop, so you will see crop from here. If you want to rotate, so rotate from here. So you will see vivid, Priya, honey. So select filter from here. After edit photo, click on save copy. Go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.